everyone, so today I'm going to do another quick little lesson. So I just wanted to teach you guys some very basic things, so how to say yes and no in Finnish. So for saying yes, the official kirjakieli way, or like the more formal way of saying yes is kyllä, kyllä, kyllä. Someone asks you a question and you want to say yes, you can say kyllä. Would you like some ice cream? Kyllä. Is it cloudy outside? Kyllä. There is, however, another way of saying yes, and I think it's a lot more commonly used, at least in speaking, and that is joo. J-O-O. Joo. Is it raining outside? Joo. Is it cold during Finnish summers? Joo. Do I have brown hair? Joo. Could you pass me the salt and pepper? Joo. So that is two ways of saying yes in Finnish, kyllä and joo. How to say no in Finnish is a very short word as well, ei. E-I. Ei. Would you like to go ice swimming during the winter? Ei. Did you go home at 9 p.m. yesterday? Ei. Do you have a cat? Ei. So those are the ways of saying yes and no in Finnish. Kyllä and joo for yes and ei for no. Those are just the very simple yes, no's, you know, that you would need in everyday situations. So yeah, I guess that just about concludes this video. So until next time.